What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B coming back to you guys with a brand new video. So I just got to work and I want to show you guys the new decor. I guess my boss did some decorations and did some renovations. So that's the front part of the shop, and this is the back right here. He just installed these two ceiling fans. It's supposed to be cold as hell in here. That's where we get down with the shampoo bowls. And this is our salon room right here. So we have like 3 parts. That's our shop. I'm gonna set up all my stuff and I'm gonna record a video today for you guys. On my first client, I'm gonna do a come over. I want you guys to check that video out, alright? I'm gonna have it up tonight. What's going on, y'all? I just wanted to update you guys with how I'm doing with my teeth. So I just got them yesterday, the meow wire and a rubber band. And for you guys that didn't watch the whole video, I know the way I talk is like really weird right now, and I naturally have like a little stutter, so that doesn't help. So like I was saying, I have a different bite from over or under. I have an open bite, so these teeth in the front, they don't touch. So that's why I have these special wires in here. Just can't focus. See? Like they're on my gums, so kind of looks like Versace. And my lips are like really dry now. So yesterday when I got them, I ate twice after, and it was fine. Like I felt fine, and I took a nap. I woke up, it was fine. I went to sleep last night, woke up this morning, it was fine throughout work. But I didn't eat at work, I just drank Starbucks and stuff. But the moment I came home, I took off the rubber bands and just to eat real quick, I could not handle it. Like when I put it back on, it felt like my jaw was about to come off. Like it felt like every tooth was loose. I was like, damn, I don't know. Like I never took Tylenol yesterday because I felt like I didn't need to, but I took it today because the pain was crazy. And oh my god, I just want you guys to know that like the teeth are like they're in pain right now, and now I'm thinking about not even eating anymore. Like I'm gonna just drink Starbucks for the next few days until my jaw heals. This is the beginning of the second day. You're supposed to change all your rubber bands. They said I think 2 or 3 times a day. So I don't usually put the same rubber bands in. I usually just replace them. So after I eat, I throw those away and I put a new set. But man, these are painful. Right now we are at 239 subscribers. We just hit 50. So this morning when I woke up, we hit 15,000 views, so that was pretty cool. And just in a day, we're at 15,269. So that's not bad at all. That's a lot of views for one day, or less than a day. So I'm pretty excited about that. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. My batteries on my camera is actually gonna die. I gotta charge. Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy John B. It's the next morning from the last video. Update on my teeth. I didn't eat breakfast, but right now they're doing good. I can slowly see like this gap is slowly closing. My bite is actually slowly closing, so right now it's doing okay. I took Tylenol like again last night before I went to sleep because the pain came back, and I'm just gonna go get a smoothie for breakfast and lunch. Like just I don't want to deal with it while I'm at work. I'm booked again today, so I don't really want to be in pain working. Before I head to work, I'm actually gonna go check on my auntie's dog, my cousin's dog, because my auntie's at Vegas right now, and my cousin called me this morning to check on him because he's getting really old. He's 15 years old. He's a pit bull, and he's 15 years old. We had him since I was 2nd grade, or maybe even 1st grade. So he's really old. But yeah, I'm about to go to work right now. But before I go, I'm gonna go check on him. I'll take y'all with me, guys. Let's go check up on my auntie's dog. Good. Alright, so he's all good. What's going on, y'all? So it's Friday morning. I'm actually at work already. Like I barely chew now. I just swallow it, whatever. Whenever we go out to eat, like we went out to eat at DB Grill last night, and I just ate fries and rice because it's soft and I don't really need to chew. This morning though, it feels a little it feels better. Of course, it's gonna get better. I heard in like a week and a half it's gonna go away, so that felt good. And I have a really busy day again today at work. I'm working on making my clientele book ahead of time so they don't wait till the last day and they get left out, and they're doing a really good job. And if you're watching, you guys are my clientele, and thank you guys. You guys are doing a really good job. I actually wanted to show you guys my schedule and how it goes down. So this is my schedule for this week. So this is my schedule for this week. I only work Tuesday through Saturday, so it's all of it right here. So as you can see today, I kind of have like this gap right here. What usually fills up is just those last minute people. You guys doing a good job booking ahead of time. I got 25 minutes to my next appointment. I already stopped by McDonald's. I got my strawberry smoothie. This lasts me from 9 to maybe 2 o'clock. I just drink this until my break, and then that's when I probably go to Jamba Juice and get another smoothie. And I lost a few pounds just doing this because obviously I'm not eating too much. It's not as bad as you think it is. It's just the beginning, like that first few days where you don't really eat and you get a headache. But after that, it just becomes like second nature. This dude just pulled up. Ready. Say what's up to my vlog.
What up, vlog? This is prepared by Ray.
What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Hope you guys are having a blessed week. It's Saturday right now, and I'm pretty much ready for work. I actually got a cool thing I'm doing today. Since I've been really busy at work for the last couple of weeks, I'm actually gonna buy everybody at work pizza today, or lunch, whatever they want. It's on me. You gotta remember to bless the people around you. You gotta make work not even feel like work. So I figure I'd buy them lunch as a good gesture, because I know Saturdays we're really busy. It'll give them time to like not even need to run to the store to grab lunch or bring lunch, wake up early to make lunch, but just give them pizza, and it saves everybody a lot of time. And pizza, who doesn't like pizza, you know what I mean? It's 7:41. I gotta go stop by, get gas, and I still can't really eat too good yet, so I have to get another smoothie in the morning. So if you guys don't know why I can't eat, check out my last video, my meow treatment. Not too much people know what that is. My dentist that I have to go to, my other dentist that I have to go to on Monday, they don't even know what I'm talking about, so we'll see how that goes. I got an earlier appointment again at 8:30 today, starting early. It's a grind. Thank you guys for subscribing, tuning in. I see the progress going up. I just posted my 200 subscriber video. Hey, now we're at 262 from this morning when I checked. So thank you guys for viewing. Let's get it. I'm at 16,000 views, I think, almost. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys at work. Try to get more footage today. Let's get it.
I just like the sound of it.
Show them what it's all about, dog. You need a fresh cut, dog.
Well, I'm in real quick, bro.
You need a fresh cut, dog.
I've been actually for like 13 years. Can't get a cut, bro. My shit is whack as fuck.
Dude, your hair still looks fresh. Did you do the slits by yourself?
The black cuz. Right here, bro. Bro, you better want it at least, cuz.
When she got a 6?
Yeah, but it ain't gonna take you long to do it. It's gonna take like a few seconds, bro. I know you.
John, still fine. How you doing?
Bro, just try to line me up. I'll just line me up, bro. That's how we do it.
Alright, dog.
See you in 3 hours. What did I do? I didn't hear that. What did you say?
Successful week at the parlor. Another week in the books. Thanks for booking me, keeping me busy. I actually finished early today. I finished an hour early. Like, I didn't want to stay till the full day because, man, I'm tired, bro. This is my busiest week I ever had. I know I keep saying that, but the weeks have been getting busier. So I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure next week won't be as busy as this week, but it'll still be busy. But I gotta go eat. I didn't eat yet. I ate just like 2 slices of pizza, but I had like the vegetarian slices, so I can't really eat hard stuff yet. Like I can, but not too much. But yeah, so I'm gonna get some food and I'll holla at you guys later today. What's going on, y'all? So I'm editing the video right now, my vlog for this week. Instead of vlogging every day, I'm gonna do one vlog and one haircut tutorial every week. I don't do a lot every single day, but I do a lot in a week, like exciting stuff. Like I said, I did do more this week that's in the video, but there's actually a lot more that I did do. I just didn't bring out my camera, which I should start doing just to have more practice at bringing it out in public and showing it to people. Yeah, I just wanted to create an outro for you guys, and right now we stand at 265 subscribers. We're 35 away from 300. I hope we can get that within the next few days. So remember how I said that I wanted to get to 1K subscribers by May 1st, which is my birthday. I kind of realized that that was a long shot kind of a goal, so instead of a 1K, we're gonna aim for 500. Hopefully we can do that. So smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Like I said, I'm sorry if the content wasn't as exciting. You guys want to see more footage of going out more and, you know what I mean, like going to the bar and stuff like that, hanging out with my friends. I'll get those. I'll try my best to bring out the camera as much as I can, try to get past the awkwardness. 10:35 right now, and I'm editing the vlog, and I'm gonna finish it. So like I said again, thank you for tuning in, liking the video, subscribe, and I'll be releasing the haircut tutorial tomorrow morning, Sunday. It'll be up. Thank you guys so much. Zombie out.